Welcome back, Daydreamer. In this episode, we are starting the build for the Master Grade Zaku Warrior. And this is the kit that I am actually in a competition or a challenge build with the not-so-average builder, Tom.
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
Alright guys, so I hope that you're really excited to see me get started on this. I'm really excited to start it. I'm really nervous. I have almost run out of time, I feel like, because I really got kind of a late start with having to finish the G-Gundam. It was on my bench. It needed to be finished. It had to be cleared out before I got started on a new project, and it's done. So thank goodness for that, but now I have a big job ahead of me. If you don't know yet, I am in a friendly competition with Tom, the not-so-average builder, here on YouTube, and he is challenging me and vice versa to build the Master Grade Zaku Warrior to the best of our abilities, either way. And then once the end of the month happens, like that's it. That's our deadline. So I'll probably end up releasing a video first week of February about basically my finished result here. But it's kind of a speed build. There's a lot that needs to be done to customize these things to the best of our abilities. And he kind of started a little earlier than I did because I already had something on the bench. So I'm hustling to try to keep up with him. I'm a little nervous because he's really talented. Speaking of being really talented, if you haven't checked out the Not So Average Builder channel here on YouTube, please check it out. It is worth your time. So without any further ado, let's get started on this build. Okay, let's start working on this by taking these spikes off. If I can. Goodness. Having trouble? If you're having trouble taking off these spikes to maybe repaint them like I'm going to do, stick that there. Ooh. There you go. Really hard to get a grip on that tapered edge, so. And as you can tell, it was in there pretty tight. And similar to the not-so-average builder, I do want to have these as chrome, but I don't want to pay for chrome parts, so let's do something different. And now, we've got chrome parts. Okay, so now I've got this all cleared out. It's all cut out. And of course, that's what goes right here on the chest. And these white accents here and here go over them like that, and I intend to light them. We gotta have something there to diffuse some of that, so let's work on that now. Because I know that I can run two of these together in a chain and still link those, so that's good. Let's see what we can do about diffusing that a bit. Okay, I'm going to have to get some more plot plate for that, so in the meantime, let's work on the head. Make a starting mark. Try not to cut yourself. Use a point scribe for this. Try to figure out where your center mark is inside the spot for the sticker. So it shows you exactly where it's going to go anyway, which is a good news for this kit. Okay. Then you can place this in the center and begin. It's actually a pretty good fit right there. Okay. What we're going to try to do is bend these down, directly down, hard 90-degree angle, right at the the LED. There we go. There we go. So we're going to clip out and just make 2 brackets on each side of this piece. Right there and right there in order to make this fit. Then to diffuse some of the light and everything, I am going to have to paint the inside of this helmet black. So let's remove our clear piece. Let's shoot for a black metallic. That seems nice. So let's go for Vallejo Black Metallic. And that's how I lose parts. Holy crap. Okay, we'll come back to that as those pieces dry. Okay, now that we've got a lot of this area cleaned up, I do like that I have a cover here for this wire. Right now, this wire is really just meant to be, I don't know, just more of a prop. I think I'm going to end up turning this into something more usable. I have to figure out how to input the battery into this maybe to get it to work correctly. I don't know. So figuring that out so that we can light up the scope on the gun. And of course, our little Marita figure, I think she's pretty much okay as she's painted here. You know, I guess it's I think it was a gashapon that this originally came in, but it looks pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Not like fantastic, but pretty good. And so I'm probably gonna leave her the way she is. I may do some panel lining, and that's about it. Let's look at doing some vents, shall we? I think that'd be kind of cool. Oh wow, that's completely bent over. And I just broke it totally. Fantastic. Totally broke that. Totally just broke the shit out of that. Alright, so this is what we have now. We've got an actual vent that should allow us to show a bit of light through it. Alright, and now we're going to start on this part of the outside, or the inside of the leg. Nice. Okay. Great. Okay, so we got the legs LED'd but not wired. We have the head LED'd but not wired. We have to work on the rifle and the chest. Get this all figured out. We need something to fuse on the chest because I opened it up too much. So, that's a struggle. As you can tell, most of this episode was LED oriented. It was a lot of prep, it was a lot of cutting out and scribing out and, marking and just getting that kind of stuff done. Really, I just set up everything so that I could wire and get going with paint and things like that. Sadly, I won't be able to scribe too much extra on this kit because the 0.15 millimeter scribe that I had, and I said had, I broke the tip off of it. So, I can't believe that I really did that still because I just got them and they were great. And Ramat, I'm sorry if you're looking at this and you're saying, what the hell? I said what the hell too, and a lot of other things that YouTube's not going to really like. Anyway, I just have to move on and get it done. So, look forward to, I guess, some replacement scribes coming as soon as I have money. Speaking of money, if you want to help support this channel, be sure to like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Check out these videos up here to learn more about what I do in my build. And don't forget that I do have a Teespring account with merch for this channel. So anything that you purchase through that does help me, and it helps me support this channel, future builds, getting more equipment, whatever. As always, Daydreamer, I'm Justin, your ragtag Daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.